Ever wondered what's really happening inside your computer or phone? What makes these devices tick? It's not magic, it's science. It's a fascinating world of engineering and clever design. Think of a computer as a busy little town, a bustling hub of activity. Just like a town, it has different buildings, each doing a specific job. Each building plays a vital role in the overall function. These buildings or functional units work together in perfect harmony to help you play games, immersing yourself in digital worlds, do homework, tackling assignments with ease, and connect with friends, staying in touch across distances. Imagine building with toy blocks. A simple yet powerful analogy. Your hands pick up blocks, your eyes see the colors and shapes, and your brain decides what to build, planning each step. A computer works similarly, but on a much grander scale. It has parts that take in information, like a keyboard or a mouse, show you results, displaying images and text on the screen, store data, keeping your files safe and accessible, and do the thinking, processing instructions at lightning speed. We'll break down these parts, examining each component individually, and see how they make technology work, creating the seamless experiences we rely on. You don't need to be an engineer, just curious. A desire to learn is all you need. By the end, you'll see that computers are built on simple, logical ideas, making them less intimidating and more approachable. Computers are everywhere, shaping our world in countless ways, so understanding the basics helps you navigate the digital world with confidence and ease. It empowers you to be a creator, to build and innovate, not just a user of technology, but an active participant in its evolution. Ready to explore the science behind the screen? Are you excited to uncover the secrets of Computer Town? Let's begin our tour of Computer Town. Get ready for an exciting adventure. What are these functional units? Think of them as the main departments in Computer Town. Every computer has 4 input, output, storage, and processing units. They're a team, none can work alone. Imagine baking a cake. The recipe is input, ingredients are storage, mixing is processing, and the finished cake is output. The input unit is the welcome center, gathering info. The output unit is the announcement board, sharing results. The storage unit is the library, keeping data safe. The processing unit is City Hall, making decisions. Every action on a computer involves these 4 working together. This 4-part structure is the key to understanding computers. Now, let's meet our first 2 units up close. Let's begin by exploring the input unit, essentially how you communicate and talk to your computer. It's all about sending instructions and data. Input devices are the tools that send data in. Things like keyboards, mice, microphones for voice commands, scanners for digitizing documents, game controllers for interactive fun, and touchscreens for direct manipulation. When you type "hello" on your keyboard, you're sending information, character by character, to the computer's brain for processing. The input unit acts as the computer's eyes and ears in a way, diligently gathering information from you, the user, and the surrounding world. Now, let's switch gears and talk about the output unit. This is how the computer communicates back to you, presenting the results of its work. Output devices are responsible for showing you the results. Monitors display text, images, and videos. Printers create physical paper copies of your documents and photos. Speakers play sound, music, and voice. And even your phone vibrates to alert you with notifications. So when you type "hello" and immediately see it appear on the screen, that's the output unit in action. The output unit is essentially the computer's voice and hands, translating complex digital results into easily understandable sights and sounds for you. Input and output work together seamlessly to create a continuous two-way conversation. You give commands and instructions, the computer processes them and then responds accordingly. This constant back and forth interaction is happening all the time, even when you don't realize it. And that's the fundamental principle of how you and your computer communicate with each other. Now let's delve into the heart of the computer, the storage and processing units, the heavy lifters that make everything run. These components are absolutely essential for the computer to function. Storage is the computer's memory, the place where it keeps all of its information, with 2 main types, short-term, which we call RAM, and long-term, which is your hard drive or SSD. These 2 work together to ensure your computer runs smoothly. RAM is the workspace, like the surface of a desk, holding the information the computer is actively using right now. It's where the magic happens in real time. Turn off the computer, and that workspace is wiped clean, ready for the next task. Long-term storage, on the other hand, is like a library, saving all your files and programs. Even when the computer is powered off, it's a permanent record. Open a photo? The computer grabs it from long-term storage and puts it into RAM, the workspace ready for you to work with. The processing unit, or CPU, is the brain of the operation. It takes your instructions, grabs the necessary data from storage, and then does the actual work, calculating complex equations, sorting through massive amounts of data, and executing commands flawlessly. The CPU is like a master chef in a high-end restaurant, reads the recipe instructions carefully, grabs the necessary ingredients, and expertly cooks up the desired results. Every click and key press you make is the CPU in action, processing your requests. It's the engine driving everything, the powerhouse behind all the functions. Without it, absolutely nothing happens. The computer is just a lifeless box. How does it all work together? Let's trace a simple action. You type a question and press Enter. The input unit, keyboard, captures your keystrokes. The CPU processes them and tells the output unit, monitor, to display the letters. Press Enter, and the CPU sends your query online. Another computer's storage and CPU find answers and send them back. Your CPU receives the data and tells your monitor to show the results. All this happens in a flash, a perfect cycle of input, processing, storage, and output. No single part works alone. It's teamwork that makes computers powerful. Understanding these basics helps you use and troubleshoot technology. Technology isn't magic, it's logical and organized. Now you know the science behind your favorite gadgets. That's a powerful piece of knowledge.